Confusion dey PDP as the National Working Committee don knock Damagun. E insist say NEC no dey cancelled and Anyanwu no dey reinstated. Welcome country people to Senate Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go ring as we drop updates. Make you like, comment and share our videos. Country people, una go recall say the People's Democratic Party fight na internal fight. E dey inside the party and na from there the implosion dey take place and the party dey attack itself. The party dey disagree with itself. The party dey fight itself. The tori wey e dey enter now, e don show how the National Working Committee (NWC) of the People's Democratic Party don dismiss the earlier press briefing wey the acting national chairman, Ambassador Umar Damagun give. The report say Damagun announced the reinstatement of Senator Samuel Anyanwu as the national secretary of the party. He said they do this one after they meet with the NEC chairman, Professor Mahmood Yakubu. They made the announcement on Wednesday during a press briefing when top party leaders, when they include Bauchi State Governor Bala Mohammed and former Senate President Bukola Saraki, attend. Damagun acknowledge say the decision to bring Anyanwu into the National Working Committee not be easy one, but he say it dey broadly supported by the party leadership. According to Damagun, he say na very difficult decision. He say but the decision dey accepted by many members of the party, led by the organs of the party. But for swift response, some members of the PDP National Working Committee don reject Anyanwu reinstatement and the reported cancellation or postponement of the party's National Executive Council (NEC) meeting. The people wey dey against the acting national chairman statement, they include Ambassador Taofeek Arapaja, Deputy National Chairman South, Honorable Architect Setonji Koshedo, Acting National Secretary, Honorable Ahmed Yayari Mohammed, National Treasurer, Sir Okechukwu Obiechina Daniel, National Auditor, Honorable Debo Ologunagba, National Publicity Secretary, Oye Ginkuro Daniel, PhD, National Financial Secretary, I Chief Ali Odefa, National Vice Chairman Southeast, Honorable Emmanuel Ogidi, Critical Committee Chairman South-South, Honorable Mrs. Amina Darasimi Bryan, National Women Leader, Senator Ayatu Bello Gwazo, Honorable Ajisafe Kamoru Toyese, National Vice Chairman Southwest. Their statement come read, the attention of the National Working Committee (NWC) of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) don dey drawn to a press briefing by the acting national chairman, Ambassador Umar Damagun, today, Wednesday, 25th June 2025, where he attempt to overturn the resolution of the 99th National Executive Committee (NEC) meeting, where he scheduled the 100th NEC meeting for Monday, 30th June 2025. The acting national chairman for the said press briefing, he also announced say Senator Samuel Anyanwu don go back to resume as National Secretary of the party, contrary to the resolution of the 99th NEC meeting, wey will refer all matters relating to the office of the National Secretary to the 100th NEC meeting. There comes say the pronouncement of the acting national chairman say not get foundation as no organ of the party, including the NWC, individual or group, get the power to cancel, overrule, veto, or to vary the resolution of the National Executive Committee (NEC) under the Constitution of the PDP as amended in 2017. He continued. He said, for the avoidance of doubt, NEC na the highest decision-making organ of the party, second only to the National Convention. So by virtue of Section 31(3) of the PDP Constitution, the resolution of the NEC to hold the 100th meeting on Monday, 30th June 2025, it is binding on all organs, officers, chapters, and members of the party, and no organ, group, or individual go fit vary or veto the resolution of NEC. Furthermore, the claim by Ambassador Damagun that Senator Samuel Anyanwu don't go back to resume as the National Secretary of the party, he say it did misleading and it did contrary to the resolution of NEC. In the light of the foregoing, the 100th NEC meeting as scheduled for Monday, 30th June 2025, he said they never cancel am or postpone am. Country people, this na the reaction of the National Working Committee of the People's Democratic Party when they challenge the decision of the acting national chairman and some party leaders after their meeting with the NEC chairman, and they can't come out to say the way forward for them now to return the National Secretary, Senator Anyanwu, when it all be that heavy bone when it did their throat. Now this position of the National Working Committee, it don't throw spanner for waiting people think say some semblance of peace they don't come the party before. How can the National Working Committee now go ahead with a meeting when the acting national chairman do cancel, do postpone? This one do become the case of a house divided against itself. And people do they concerned about this development. Say if PDP take this route, now be say even before the 2027, the party is good as dodo. That why the National Working Committee not go see the wisdom in waiting Damagun and the party leaders like Governor Bala and also the former Senate President say the decision when they take for bring out the party and to reset the party on the path to contest election in future. You see, but this one now when these people don't do, they don't throw heavy spanner for the full groundwork when Ambassador Damagun and the party leaders don't do. It's a PDP crisis. Now self, it won't start. Now the rig for the party, it won't start. And I will remember waiting President Tinubu talk during the June 12th democracy speech. You see, people they blame him for the crisis for political parties. He say, well, maybe they look elsewhere because nobody ain't go help them solve the problems when they don't create. Because they make Tinubu be like prophet. Because the internal wranglings for the party, Tinubu hand apparently not they. Even though some they say this na the voice of Jacob by the hands of Esau. But PDP, they need to quick check themselves before this implosion go dey total, so that make them feel salvage whatever is left of their dignity as a political party. Otherwise, if this confusion continue, na them go be the loser at the end of the day. Una see this matter.